Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a classic Sudoku on our channel. Now this Sudoku is constructed by Ember Dot, and I really thank the author for giving us an opportunity to cover a video on our channel. So before going to the Sudoku, I would highly recommend you to please subscribe to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis. And if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, do let us know in the comment below and we'll surely make a video on it. And coming back to the Sudoku, so before doing that, I would say something about my Patreon page as well. So I have a Patreon page called Enthralling Sudoku, where I send my patrons 45 Sudokus every month. So which includes 20 regular classics, which are basic techniques, not advanced logic required, but still they will be tough finding hidden pairs, hidden triplets, naked single, hidden single, everything, right? The second set would have to be 20 variants, and the third set is 5 advanced classics. So all of these will be sent within a span of 1 month to all the patrons. So if you are really looking forward to some handcrafted sudokus, please subscribe to the Patreon page. I am adding link in the description below. All of these sudokus are test solved by Titwang, a world sudoku champion. So I hope you really enjoy those, and please do support me on this matter. Right now, coming back to this sudoku, so let's see if we are able to crack this sudoku. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. One would have to be in one of these two cells. Okay, one here, one would have to be in one of these two cells, one would have to be in these two cells. So there's nothing what much with the one here. I'll use the corner pencil marks, would be better here. One would have to be here, one would have to be here, and one would have to be here, right? Okay, let's do with something with the two here. I can see twos cannot be here, so two would have to be here. Okay, two would have to be in one of these two cells. 2 would have to be here, that gives you a 2 here and a 2 here. So I think so we have placed all the 2's here. Coming to 3's now. 3 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. Nothing with the 3 here. I see something with the 4 here. You will have a 4 here, a 4 in one of these 2 cells. That gives you a 4 here, and a 4 here, and a 4 here, and at last a 4 here. So 4 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. Yeah, so you are unable to get that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 9, right? So this would have to be 5, 8, 9, 8, 9 and 5, 8, 9, right? Now this box needs to be filled with only 3 more digits. So 5, 7 and 8. 5 cannot be here, it would have to be 7, 8, 5, 7, 8 and 5, 7 and 8. Let's do something with the 9 here. 9 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. 9 would have to be in one of these 2 cells. That gives you a 9 here, that gives you a 1 here. Nice. So 1 in row 6 can only be in this cell, that is 1 here, and that gives you a 1 here. That indeed gives you a 3 here. That's nice. Seems to be a easy solve for now. Let's see. 3, 5 and 8. So it cannot be 3 here, 5 and 8. You have a 3, 5, 8 triplet here in this box. You have two more digits remaining, which is 3 and 6, right? So it can be in any order. I'm not sure of it yet. And these 3 digits would have to be, oh, you have a 1 still pending here. Okay, 1 would have to be in one of these 2 cells, right? So 1, 3 and 6. Oh, you have a 1, 3, 6 triplet here. Okay, 1 and 3 is already here, so this would have to be 6. This is 1 and 3 in any order, so I'll use the center pencil marks. That gives you a 6 here and a 3 here, right? So 6 would have to be in one of, oh no, okay, 6 is already done. So 1 3 5 and 7 here in these two cells. So let's use the center pencil marks of 5 and 7 here. This 3 gives you a 1 here and a 3 here. That gives you 1 here and a 4 here. That gives you a 4 here. We are getting all the digits here. Seems to be a easy solve path, but let's see, we can still get stuck at the end. Some of the sudokus really have a tricky end, right? I'm sorry. Okay, 5 8 and 9. You cannot have a 9 here, you cannot have 5 here, so 9 in this, 5 8 and 3 here. So you have a 3 here and 3 here, so 3 would have to be here. 5 7 and 8, so this would have to be 7 and 8. This is 5 7 and 8. 7 8 and 9, right? So okay, 6 7 8 and 9. 6 7, this is 8 and 9. 6 7 8 9. 6 7 8. So 6 7 and 8, and this is 7 and 8. I can remove the 1 here. So 5 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, 5 6 7 8. Five, 7, 8 and 3. Or 3 would have to be here. That gives you a 5, 7, 8 here again. That gives you a 3 here. 3 here, and removes 3 from this cell. Yeah. So you have 5 8 pair here. 8 9 and 5. 9 cannot be here. It is 5 and 8. And 5 8 and 9. 5 6 7 8. So 5 6 7 and 8. 9 is in one of these two cells, right? 5 6 7 8 9. Too many digits here. 6 cannot be here, so 5 7 also cannot be here. 5 8 and 9. 9 cannot be here. This is 5 8, so you have a 5 8 pair here. Am I right? How did I get a 5 8 here as well? Yeah, you have 5 8 and 9. So you have 5 8 9 triplet here. Sorry. I suspect something with the Y wings here, because I really love spotting Y wings, but let us see that, because I see 5 7 7 8 and 5 8. 5 7 7 8 and 5. Oh yeah, 5 7 7 8 and 5 8. So this cell cannot be an 8. That's a pure Y wing. That is a pure Y wing. This kind of Y wing is really difficult to find. Not difficult to find, I would say difficult to design as well. So you have Y wings usually within 2 or 3 boxes, 2 boxes, right? I would say this kind of Y wing, right? It's, of course, if it is 7 8, this Y wing would work, and you couldn't have an 8 here. So this kind of Y wing usually eliminates cells from 3 or 4, eliminate candidates from 3 or 4 digits, 4 cells I mean, either these 3 cells and these 2 cells. So you have 5 cells that you can eliminate a candidate, but this kind of Y wing can eliminate only from a single cell. There is no other possibility that you can eliminate a candidate from more than one cell. It's a pure rectangle Y wing, I would say. I don't know what this what they say to this, but it's a pure Y wing. And if you see here, 5 8 5 7 and 7 8. So what happens here is, let me show you with the surface tab here. I cleared everything. Okay, so if you see here, if you have a 8 here, right, I will use the light color here. If you have an 8 here, that gives you a 7 here and a 5 here, and there is nowhere to there is nothing to be placed here, right? You cannot place anything here. Both the 5 and 7 are taken using these two cells, and there is nothing to be placed here, right? So this is kind of AB, AC and BC. So AB and BC has the common candidate, what is called B, that is 8 here in this case. So these two cells are not seeing each other, but the cells, the common cells seeing both of these cells simultaneously, cannot have the common candidate, that is B. that is equal to 8. So this cell cannot be an 8. Sorry, yeah, this cell cannot be an 8. Okay, so does that give us anything? You get a 5 7 here. Five 7, 5 8 and 7 8. So this is again helping us. 5 7, 5 8 and 7 8. So this cell cannot be an 8 now. No, you cannot have it. There wasn't 6 here. I'm sorry, I wrote a wrong pencil mark here. This is 5 7 8. Yeah. So 5 8, 5 7 and 7 8. So this cell cannot be an 8 again. Nice, right? Am I not doing anything wrong now? Okay. So if this cell is an 8, again the same logic. If this cell is an 8, this becomes 7, this becomes 5, and there is nowhere to place, there is nothing to be placed here, right? You cannot place anything here. So this cannot be an 8 again. Wow. Okay. How can I mark a wrong pencil mark, guys? This 6 7 8. 6 is not there. This had to be 7 and 8 only, not 5 7 8. This had to be 7 and 8. And that has to be a 6 actually. So which means that I removed an 8 from this cell, and that gives you a 7 here. That gives you an 8 here. That gives you a 5 here, 7 here. I actually had used wrong pencil marks at some point. I'm extremely sorry. Not fully concentrating on the solve path. It's quite not feeling well for quite few days. So I'm extremely sorry for it. But I think we have done it perfectly for now. This 8 will remove 8 from this cell. This 7 will remove 7 from these cells. So you have a 5 8 here, a 5 8 here. Then this would have to be a 6. And this 6 removes 6 from this cell. This 7 gives you an 8 here, a 5 here, a 8 here. Okay. And 8 will remove 8 from these two cells. This 7 and 9, right? So this is also removed 8 from this cell. Oh, this 5 gives you a 7 here. And that removes 7 from this cell. So 8 and 9, 5 would have to be only in this cell. That gives you a 8 here, a 7 here, a 5 here. Wow. We got 2 wivings here, guys. We actually got 2 wivings here. That was nice. I really love spotting wivings here, and this was a quite easy solve path. And these kind of sudokus are really good. So I said you about my advanced logic sudokus, right, that I sent to all my patrons, which has these kind of techniques. Very easy to spot, so that you will be able to learn those techniques very easily. There are nothing much tough there. So 6 8 and 9, just 5 and 9. So both of these would have to be 5 and 9, which gives you this as 6. So this would have to be 6, 5 9 and 8. 9 is here, 5 and 8. Oh, this would have to be 5. 8 is also here. That gives you a 9 here, a 5 here, a 8 here, a 9, yeah, 8 here, and this is 7 and 9. So this is 7, this is 9, and that gives you a 5 here and a 9 here. And with that we complete this gorgeous, excellent Sudoku by Ember Dot. What an excellent Sudoku this was. A very easy one, not very tough, very easy to spot such kind of techniques. And these kind of Sudokus are really helpful in learning a particular logic easily, right? So I really hope we get such more wonderful Sudokus by this author. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you really are looking forward to such Sudokus and such videos daily. And if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, do let us know in the comment below, and we'll surely make a video on it. Thank you.